Hey guys, this month I started flying FPV for the first time, and I'd like to tell you all about it.
Pretty basic stuff to kick off my FPV journey.
So my setup is pretty cheap and simple. I got simple goggles from BetaFPV, I got light radio 4 from also BetaFPV, and I got Air 75. This is already a new frame because I broke the first one. I have a bunch of frames, a bunch of batteries, like a screwdriver. Yeah, here's my screwdriver. This is for taking props off. This I used shoe glue and just a simple super glue to fix the frame, but it didn't really help much. It's better to always change frames. I struggled to get it flying and reached out to BetaFPV, and kind people of BetaFPV sent me the right firmware and told me how to set it up. So I managed to set it up and had my first flights. One of my mistakes was that I bought wrong props that did not fit my drone. I got the wrong size. This have 1.5 millimeter shafts, and I need 1 millimeter shaft. I don't know how. I checked it a million times, but still I ended up with a lot of stuff that I don't need. So basically, all you need is the goggles, the radio, and the drone. Got an antenna that I don't even need. Got some stickers. These are nice. Got extra motors, but you need to know how to solder them. And the soldering work on that thing is like microscopic. Like it's like so small. Like look at this. And by the way, this whole setup is pretty cheap. I got this remote controller for 70 bucks. Goggles are also around 70 bucks, and the drone itself is 100 bucks. So yeah, it's really a good starting point. Don't even try to fly your FPV without spending a few hours on a simulator, because I guarantee you will break it immediately. It was essential to get some hours on flying simulators. So I got Liftoff, with which I started, and I got Firehawk FPV. That's a very fun simulator where you can shoot, and I managed to spend way more hours there than in Liftoff, but I recommend to start with Liftoff. Also, you would need this essential program. It's called BetaFlight. This is where you tune your drone, update your firmware, basically where you control the brain of the drone. So the most important thing from this whole setup, I think, is the remote controller, because you can start learning only with this on the simulator. So if this doesn't work, you cannot do anything. After messing with my drone for a week, and many hours on a simulator and many indoor tests, I went ahead for my first outdoor flights. Alright, here's a little edit of my first flight. And that's my second outdoor flight where I broke my first frame. Yeah, that one landing during my second flight resulted in complete destruction of my first frame. We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy Hanukkah.